I finally moved out of my house, and it's crucial to leave your nest after a point of time. No matter how hard you try, you limit your growth to an extent, especially when you are choosing to settle for a place which stops serving your purpose. Realizing it early is the only way to keep moving forward, to keep growing, and that is exactly what I chose. If you're someone who wants to move out, this is your sign. You need to move out. There are multiple things that come into the picture, especially when you are not really financially independent and you want to move out. But there are certain things that could be taken care of, especially when you have that drive within. I initially chose to work from my home. When I started freelancing, I started reaching out to clients, started serving them, because at that point I was not having the mental bandwidth to handle everything else apart from working on the most crucial chores, which was delivering value to my clients. But once I started expanding my team, I got to understand that एक बार जब आप उस लेवल पर पहुंच जाते हो जहां पर योर एजेंसी कैन वर्क इवन विदाउट यू ऑलवेज बीइंग 100% प्रेजेंट देयर, that's when you need to decide to take that chance to work on yourself, right? You cannot just always be the only one working, especially when you are working to expand your business and want to expand your team and want to scale up. So that was the stage that was reached, which is why I chose to move out, and I am currently in Bengaluru. This is the exact place where I initially stayed when I was working in a full-time job. I really liked this place, but I was not having the courage or confidence to stay here when I quit the job, because मेरे अंदर वो guilt था, वो बहुत सारे fears थे कि how will I be able to pay a monthly rent. That is really tough, especially when you are starting out as a freelancer, क्योंकि आपकी income is not fixed. There will be months when it will be totally dry for you. How will I be able to manage all of that? ये सारी चीज़ें थी जो कि मुझे अंदर से बहुत ज़्यादा खाती थी, और इस वजह से मैंने उस वक्त पे I could not work on that, and I thought like it was time to get back to home and find my comfort and then start working from there. And to an extent that's a good one. You can start from wherever you are, and once you want to come out of your nest, once you feel like you are made for the bigger things and you really want to go there, it's very crucial to move out of your nest. But this video is not just for that. This video is about the mistakes I made while I was moving out. There were multiple things that came along the way, and I don't think I found out the exact kind of videos which helped me solve the exact problems that I faced. And let's be honest about this, I'll share all of what I faced and what you could avoid to stop falling trap to these red flags, and you can figure it out earlier itself. Mistake number 1, there are invisible costs involved apart from the rent. Yes, if you want to move out, सिर्फ ये चीज़ फिगर आउट नहीं करना है कि हाँ मेरा रेंट हो जाएगा, मैं उसको पे कर दूंगी और बाकी सारी चीज़ें सॉर्टेड हो जाएंगी और थोड़ा बहुत 2000-3000 इधर उधर एक्स्ट्रा. Yes, that could work out in case you are someone जिसको है ना बजट पे अच्छे से काम करना आता है. But I would say initially it's better to have a spreadsheet kind of thing जहाँ पर आप सारी चीज़ें ट्रैक करो. In fact, before taking the apartment, make sure you check everything from every tiny expense that will add up, because eventually आपको वो चीजें add up होंगी. The best suggestion would be to focus on these tiny things and not to ignore them in the start. पहले मुझे लग रहा था कि हाँ ठीक है इतना रेंट है, सिर्फ मैं इतना रख लूंगी और फिर बाकी सारी चीजें तो मैनेज हो जाएंगी. बट ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, they eventually add up. So it's better to have a kind of emergency fund. Best kind of formula that works for me is to follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for everything about your rent and all the necessities, 30% for the wants you have apart from the very much necessary things, and then the 20% needs to go to your savings, your debts and things like that. So that just helps you keep it manageable. But the more specific you are with the budget, the more fixed you can keep your budget and costs, the better it is for you to be able to financially be better. मतलब अगर आप financially एक better position पे हो तो you will be confident enough to stay at a place for a longer period of time. In fact, अगर आप स्टार्ट ही कर रहे हो, इट वुड बी बेटर टू मूव आउट विथ द नेक्स्ट 3 or 4 months की savings and eventually you will figure it out. And if you're someone who is in a very initial stage and who doesn't even have a job, I would say firstly apply to different jobs, start figuring things out, and eventually once you see that there is a hope, there is a ray of hope कि अच्छा यहाँ पर चीजें workout करेंगी, that's when you can choose to maybe relocate, or once you have the job finalized then you can relocate. But trust me, this will be the best decision you will make ever. You will never regret making a decision of moving out of your home. Definitely never. Mistake number 2. I thought I had enough money. मैंने काउंट करके रख लिया था कि हाँ ठीक है, इतना इतना एक्सपेंसेस एंड दिस एंड दैट सारी चीजें होंगी और सारी चीजें मैनेज हो जाएंगी. बट इट हैज बिन ओनली 3 days एंड एज फार एज आई अंडरस्टैंड मेरे लगभग 25 to 30,000 का एक्सपेंस आराम से हो चुका है. एंड दिस वॉज नॉट इवन इन माई लिस्ट जब मैं स्टार्ट करी थी. देर आर मल्टीपल एक्सपेंसेस विच कम योर वे एंड यू हैव टू बी रेडी फॉर इट. तो मेक श्योर कि यू हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट हाउ द एक्सपेंसेस आर गोइंग टू बी. मेक श्योर टू हैव एन इमरजेंसी फंड काइंड ऑफ थिंग जिससे आप चीजें मैनेज करो. आई नो इनिशियल मंथ्स में थोड़ा ज्यादा एक्सपेंस होता है क्योंकि यू आर बाइंग थिंग्स हियर एंड देयर, एवरीथिंग बिल्कुल आप स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. आपको बिल्कुल किचन की बेसिक नेसेसिटीज पूरी फुलफिल करनी होती है, मैट्रेसेस, स्लीपिंग एसेंशियल्स एंड अ लॉट मोर. तो इनिशियल मंथ्स में थोड़े से एक्सपेंसेस ज्यादा होते हैं, बट आफ्टर दैट वंस इट कम्स टू अ स्टैंड स्टिल, मेक श्योर यू आर मेकिंग फाइनेंशियली मैच्योर डिसीजंस. इट शुड नॉट बी अ फाइनेंशियली डम डिसीजन ऑफ कि you do not have a very good financial management and you are always taking cabs everywhere. Maybe you could switch to public transport options as well. Maybe you could switch to a different alternative which is cost effective for you, and eventually you can figure it out things on your own. The best way is to keep a track of your expenses, especially when you stay alone. जब आप अकेले रहते हो आप automatically बहुत सारी चीजें सीख जाते हो of how to truly take care of yourself, because you will have no one by your side when you physically or even mentally need the help. So you are all by yourself. Just make sure कि you have a kind of बजट या फिर आप एक स्प्रेडशीट जैसा कुछ बना लो जहां पर आप एटलीस्ट ट्रैक करो बाय द इनिशियल मंथ या फिर एंड ऑफ द मंथ में कि हाउ द एक्सपेंसेस हैव बीन एंड व्हाट आर द एरियाज दैट यू कुड कट डाउन ऑन. क्योंकि आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स. मे बी यू लाइक अ सर्टेन कॉफी, ठीक है, तो मेक श्योर यू हैव दैट, बट देन ऑल्सो कट डाउन ऑन द एक्सपेंसेस विच आर रियली अननेसेसरी. मतलब एकदम फैंसी शूज लेना, एकदम फैंसी चीजों पे जैसे कि हम स्पेंडिंग हैबिट्स रखते हैं, स्पेशली जब हम घर पे रहते हैं, अगर आप उन्हें अवॉइड करें तो आपके लिए फाइनेंशियली एक बेटर डिसीजन होगा. मिस्टेक नंबर 3. आई थॉट माई रूम हैड टू बी इंस्टाग्राम वर्दी एंड दैट्स द बिगेस्ट ट्रैप. सी इट्स नॉट लाइक योर अपार्टमेंट और वेरेवर यू स्टे वो डे 1 से ही बिल्कुल इंस्टाग्राम फ्रेंडली होगा, एकदम बहुत अच्छी एस्थेटिक से वाइब आएगी, आपका फेवरेट कलर का मैट्रेस होगा, फेवरेट कलर का रूम का पेंट होगा, एंड चादर एंड बेडशीट एंड एवरीथिंग. आई शो यू हाउ माई रूम लुक्स लाइक. आई शेयर द वीडियो. बट the thing is that it will eventually happen. You will slowly be able to do it. Yes, you can do it on day 1 itself, but it will be a very strict decision on your pocket, right? You will do it with your credit card, और वो room तो आपका aesthetic हो जाएगा, but it will be heavy on your pocket, and that is something you really do not want, especially when you are starting out. So a wiser decision is to slowly get to it. मतलब start with the basic necessities. Eventually once you are able to make every month by month, eventually आपका रूम सेटल हो जाएगा. It will not always be कि आप बिल्कुल bare minimum पे survive कर रहे हो, but just make sure कि एकदम आपके पास मतलब that is not a wiser decision to have all of it, but your bank account बिल्कुल खाली है and then you have no liquid cash. To make sure you avoid such things. Mistake number 4. Rushing to the apartment without checking things out. मैंने इस जगह से पहले लगभग 3 या 4 नहीं 5 या 6 जगह देखी, एंड द ओनली इशू वॉज नॉट द रेंट. देयर वर मल्टीपल अदर फैक्टर्स विच आई वॉज फिगरिंग आउट. हाउ द लोकेलिटी विल बी, क्या उसके आसपास कोई शॉप्स हैं, नेबरहुड्स कैसे हैं, नॉइज कैसा है, बिल्कुल रोड के पास तो नहीं है क्योंकि आई हैव टू शूट द वीडियोज, आई हैव टू वर्क इन साइलेंस एंड पीस. तो देयर आर मल्टीपल फैक्टर्स विच प्ले अ रोल. आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप एक बार आसपास मतलब आ करके उस जगह पे आसपास थोड़ा सा नोटिस करो हाउ द सराउंडिंग्स आर. इफ दैट सूट्स यू, then you will be able to make peace with the room or the apartment you are in and you will be able to manage, है ना. बट अगर आपको कोई ऐसा रूममेट या फिर ऐसा कोई neighborhood मिल जाता है जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा noise हो, then that will definitely be a problematic situation to be in, क्योंकि आपने फिर security deposit कर दिए होंगे, बहुत सारे payments कर दिए होंगे, and then again you will choose to shift in, तो that is not a very wise decision. Take your time to understand. आप एक अच्छे से बिल्कुल as a detective अच्छे से सारी चीज़ें observe करो and then only say a yes. Mistake number 5. Saying a yes without even understanding how the contract and the lease and other details look like. No, make sure you have a very good word with the landlord. Make sure you understand how the policies look like. What are the things that you know that matter, that are more important. क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपको 3 times या 4 times the amount of the monthly rent आपको pay कर देना होता है at the first installment itself. Sometimes it is for the security, sometimes it is for the maintenance and multiple other costs. So make sure you have a clear idea of what the costs are going to look like for you, and only once you have agreed on the right terms, only then you choose to sign in the documents, right? So make sure you go through all of it before signing into that, क्योंकि later you could maybe fall into the trap of multiple other problems, right? So make sure you avoid this thing. This is a major red flag जो कि आपको avoid करना, अभी अगर आप ignore करोगे बाद में आप पछताओगे. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप पहले समझो कि security कैसा है, कैसे क्या चीज़ें हैं, कैमरा एंड ऑल, एंड एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंसेस आपको कैसे क्या पड़ेंगे, पानी का, सिक्योरिटी का, गैस एंड अदर थिंग्स एंड एक्सपेंसेस एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो मेक श्योर यू हैव अ वेरी क्लियर आइडिया बिफोर यू से अ यस. मिस्टेक नंबर 6. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आप मूव इन करते हो, उस वक्त पे तो आप ज़्यादा ऑब्जर्व नहीं करते कि कहाँ पर कोई टाइल में कोई क्रैक है, कोई दीवार पे कोई क्रैक है, या फिर कहीं पे कोई स्टिकर्स एंड ऑल पेस्टेड हैं, टैटूज एंड अदर थिंग्स, राइट? बट when you choose to move out, those things which you ignored, your landlord uses the same against you कि चीज़ें आपने करी हैं, and that because you have not put or you do not have a proof of that, you will be caught in that, such a situation which you will not be able to come out of, और उसकी वजह से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंसेस और चार्जेस सिक्योरिटी वगैरह से आपके काट लिए जाएंगे. To make sure you avoid being in such a situation, whenever you are moving in, make sure you record the entire things on camera or a phone, and you have the records of all of that. Show them that these are the things which already exist. In fact, make kind of treaty or sign or a document or something जिस पे आप ये सारी चीजें mention करो, get it signed so that you are clear with your terms कि ये सारी चीजें थी when you were starting out, and eventually you can show it when you move out, so that आपकी सिक्योरिटी में से वो सारी चीजें जो आपने करी भी नहीं है, वो सारी चीजें एक्स्ट्रा एड ऑन होके और कट ना हो, राइट? सो आई वांट यू टू बी आउट ऑफ सच अ सिचुएशन because that happens. It has happened with me. I do not want anyone else to be in that situation. See, it's not rocket science. The most important thing is for you to understand कि आप कैसे adapt करोगे एक नए environment में, how much you will be open to learning, growth, what are the things that are of most priority to you. Make sure you do those. It should not be like you have moved into a new city and you're always sleeping and binge eating and binge watching movies and Netflix and this and that. No, you were good at home doing that, right? If you have moved out, make sure you make the best out of it, and choose to grow in your career, choose to expand your skill sets so that you could grow in your career aspect, because this is the best time to explore what things you have got within you and what things you really are interested in, to make the best out of it in your career. And an even more important thing is to ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप कई बार ऐसे सिचुएशंस में पड़ोगे जहां पर बहुत सी इमरजेंसी सिचुएशंस आएंगी जहां पर आपको खुद नहीं पता होगा कि अच्छा मैं ये सारी चीजें भी करने के केपेबल हूँ, राइट? सो यू विल लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट हाउ यू कैन मैनेज chaotic situations and so many things which you had never even imagined yourself getting out of, and you will thank yourself for it. You will start loving yourself for it. Yes, there will be lows wherein you will sit and cry like crazy at times. You will be daydreaming, you will be overthinking a lot of things, but at the end of the day you have your back, and that is the most important thing, right? That's the most beautiful thing in the world. So you will be able to taste true independence, and that is something I really want you to be in. Like, I know you will go through the dirt, but eventually you will get the best, and hopefully you will avoid the mistakes which I personally made, which costed me a lot in terms of mental peace and other things, especially when I was initially changing the rooms and apartments, and I was very much confused. And eventually I settled at a place which feels like home, where there's not so much of noise, the peace is good. I do not always have to worry about the roommates and the noise and other things, so things are better for me. And I hope you find such a place, a home outside of home, and you need to be the one to take care of it. That's about it. That's enough for this video, and see you in the next one.